Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. This is lesson number 9, teeth and digestion part 2. In the previous video of this lesson, teeth and digestion part 1, we have studied about the milk teeth and permanent teeth, and we have seen that adults have 32 permanent teeth. The types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. There are 8 incisors used for cutting and biting, 4 incisors, 8 premolars and 12 molars. Total 32 teeth, permanent teeth we have seen. In today's video we will see the structure of tooth. Okay, when we examine a tooth, a section through a tooth, we can see the following parts. Structure of tooth: teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaws. Our mouth have 2 jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. So teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaws, Jaws, jaws. Some part of a tooth is hidden inside the gum. Yes, it is called the root. The part which is fixed in the gum, inside the gum, hidden, that part is called root. Here you can see the visible part of the tooth is called crown. The visible part which we can see in our mouth, that part is called crown. Okay, then we have 4 different types of teeth. However, they all have a similar structure inside. If a tooth is cut lengthwise in half, we will see the following parts. So we have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, molars and premolars. But their structure will be same. For all these 4 types of teeth, structure like this root and crown we are talking about, it will be same for them. Okay, if a tooth is cut lengthwise a half, we will see the following parts. So did you understand about the root, with the part which is hidden in the gums, and the part which is visible, that is called crown? Root and crown. Now we will see the different 4 parts of, we will see the following parts. Enamel. What is enamel? Enamel is the outermost white part of the tooth. It is the hardest part of our body. See, in our body, in our skeletal system, and when we talk about our all organs and our skeletal system, our bones, our teeth, when we talk about, so in this, enamel is the hardest part of our body. Okay, enamel is the outermost white part of the tooth and it is the hardest part of our body. Next is dentine. Next layer is dentine. It lies below the enamel. It is also hard. Okay, pulp lies inside the dentine. It is soft. It has blood vessels and nerves. The pulp forms the central part of a tooth. So this is the inner part of the tooth, that is called pulp. It is the soft part and it has blood vessels and nerves. Okay, so this is the structure of tooth, root and crown. And when we lengthwise, when we see the parts of the tooth, we can see the enamel, pulp and dentine. Okay, now as we know that teeth are very important for our body, so we need to take care of it. Okay, we have seen that it help us to chew the food and it make us look good. It makes our appearance good. So we have to take care of the teeth, then only we can stay healthy. Okay, so what are cavities? Teeth help us to chop, to cut, tear and chew food. Yes, teeth help us to chew, to cut, to tear, to bite. It helps us. When we eat, food particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. So you know children, there are some gaps in between the teeth. In our 32 teeth, there are some gaps. So when we eat something, food can get stuck in these gaps. Germs or bacteria grow in these gaps. So when food stuck in these gaps, so in this leftover food, bacteria can grow, germs and bacteria can grow. They feed on the food particles and produce a substance called acid. See, this leftover stuck food, when germs and bacteria attack on that, so it makes acid. The acid damages the enamel and causes a cavity. So the stuck food, it creates acid which can harm to our enamel. So when the acid effect starts on the enamel, so it gets cavities. Okay, so what is a cavity? It's a hole in the tooth. Many children have a hole in the tooth, so that is called cavity. When the cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts hurting when we eat and drink. So when this cavity reaches to the pulp, so we feel pain when we eat or drink something. Okay, so that's why we need to take care of our tooth. We should not leave the food stuck in the teeth after our meals. Okay, so how to take care of our teeth, now we will see. Looking after the teeth means taking care of teeth. Your teeth can last you for a very long time if you look after them well. Okay, our teeth can be healthy so longer if we take proper care for that. What we should do: brush your teeth correctly and regularly twice a day. I hope you do that. Brush gently with soft hands. Do not brush harshly. It can damage your blood vessels and it can damage the tooth also. It can harm to enamel. Use short back and forth strokes. Here, how to brush properly. The proper strokes are given. How to brush? Use short back and forth strokes. Clean the outer and inner surface of the teeth. Clean the chewing surface of the teeth. So to the surface and inside also, and the chewing surface also, we have to clean properly. Teeth that are not cleaned properly get covered with a yellow sticky film called plaque. The children who do not brush properly, some yellow matter will be there on their teeth. Okay, so that yellow sticky layer will form on the teeth. That is called plaque. Plaque. Plaque forms due to growth of bacteria on the leftover food particles. Plaque causes foul smell, means bad smell in our mouth. It can also lead to cavity. So if we not brush our teeth properly, the yellow layer will be formed on the tooth, which can form decay and it can form cavity also. Some useful tips to take care of the teeth. Some more useful tips. The following habits will keep your teeth healthy and cavity free. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning before eating anything and at night before going to bed. Brush your teeth gently. Massage your gums with salt at least once a week. Rinse your mouth every time you eat. It removes food particles stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Avoid having too many chocolates. Avoid having too many chocolates, sweets and aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means cold drinks, soft drinks. Eat raw carrots, apples and radishes. They help to clean the teeth and make them strong. Visit your dentist every 6 months for a checkup. The above dental care habits will keep your teeth healthy and cavity free. Healthy teeth are important as they play an important role in the digestion of food. So whatever food we eat, the chewing process, it starts in our mouth, then it play an important role in the digestion of food. If we chew properly, if our mouth is healthy, then it helps in our digestion also. So in the next video we will see about digestion, human digestive system we will see. So that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.